The United Kingdom is one of the world's leading countries when it comes to cryptocurrency adoption. As a result, there are many crypto exchanges to choose from. In this video, we will review 3 of the best cryptocurrency exchanges in the UK: Binx, Bitget, and Bybit. First up is Binx. Binx is a UK-based cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. It offers a simple and user-friendly interface that makes it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to use. In addition, Binx has a low trading fee and provides 24/7 customer support to help users with any issues they may encounter. Next up is Bitget. Bitget is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to trade futures contracts for various cryptocurrencies. The platform offers advanced trading tools and features, making it a favorite among experienced traders. Bitget also provides a mobile app for both iOS and Android, allowing users to trade on the go. Finally, we have Bybit. Bybit is a global cryptocurrency exchange that specializes in trading derivatives. The platform offers a wide range of trading pairs and has low trading fees. It also provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for beginners to use. Bybit also offers a mobile app for both iOS and Android, making it easy for users to trade on the go. So there you have it, 3 of the best cryptocurrency exchanges in the UK: Binx, Bitget, and Bybit. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, these exchanges offer the features and tools you need to trade cryptocurrencies. Which cryptocurrency exchange do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to click the links in the description to sign up for these exchanges. Thanks for watching.